Today is September 1. The National Nutrition Week begins today. Being a pharmacognist as profession, I have studied many plant species for their medicinal values, side effects, nutritional values, their native places, pharmacological action and their use in various formulations. But in the due course of time, I realized that we often neglect our medicinal plants for their nutrition value. I am sure very few might of you know about the nutritional value of tulsi, the holy basil. Yes, I am talking about the sacred tulsi which grows in our homes. It contains vitamin A, vitamin K, calcium, iron, manganese, and some calories. Though the quantities are too small, as we just use a few leaves of tulsi in our routine, like I use it in my tea, I put 7 to 8 tulsi leaves in our water pot for the full day consumption. Sometimes I eat the raw leaf of tulsi as a mouth freshener as it adds to the fragrance of the mouth. I also add it as garnishing in soup like my tomato basil soup. Chewing raw tulsi leaves always leaves me with an elevated effect. The basil water contains a lot of antioxidants and is good at anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial effects. Infusing this basil water with lemon completes our daily dose of vitamin C as well. Tulsi can also be taken with milk and works with wonders. The plant compounds of basil are well known for their aroma, flavor, and health benefits. Tulsi has been associated with reducing the memory loss associated with stress and aging. So, what are you waiting? Start adding basil leaves into your routine. It also reduces blood pressure in people with hypertension and relaxes the blood vessels and thins your blood as similar to aspirin. Most of you are already growing basil in your houses, but you are just not using it correctly. So start adding it to your sauces, soups, pasta, salads, or raita, and your taste buds will definitely thank you.